What's up, guys? Welcome back to MyHeaven channel. It's the year 2019. Look at that, snowing again in Vegas. So I posted a video last year on the channel, like snow in Vegas. So you can see snow dropping right here. Exactly a year later. I thought, it would take a long time to see snow again in Vegas, but here it is again, a year later. Crazy. It's pretty impressive. Yeah, it's really cold outside. Right now it's, I think it's like almost midnight and it's snowing. So if it snows in the daytime tomorrow, I'll try to film it as well. But you can see, this is like real snow falling down. There you go. I'm getting covered with snow right now. Yeah, man. So it's pretty cool. Look at that. It's really cool. It's not often that you see snow, especially 2 years in a row. It's pretty nice. See, oh, there you go. You can see it that way, falling right from the sky. Beautiful. Let me know in the comments if you guys were able to actually see the snow live, like in person when you're in Vegas. It's hard to catch. When it snows, it only snows in certain parts of Vegas. So, like right now, I'm in Southwest Vegas. So like if you're in Henderson or like Summerlin, maybe it's not snowing. I have no idea. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this little video. We'll follow up a year later. It was snowing. It's really cool. Look at that snow on the ground. Alright, guys. Check out some of the home tours on the channel if you like to see some model homes. There's a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.